Foundationless Economy and Prosperity by unfounded. This monograph book with the theme of the economy without foundation and prosperity with the desire to help readers grasp the fundamental theories of wealth, income or prosperity of society. The book summarizes the origins of economic growth and the problems of modern economic instability. From there, the book addresses the issues of global economic and financial crisis, whose root cause stems from unfounded economic growth leading to bubbles and collapse. Explain how to increase the income, wealth or welfare of the people and lead to prosperity or prosperity for the people. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.